Alright, what is good, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in for another video. As y'all can see by the thumbnail and title, we're gonna be taking this Mustang around the lake. It's right ahead, it's like a minute drive from here, but this is where I want to start my intro. By the way, the ones that are new to the channel, this is a 2019 Mustang GT, 10-speed, exhaust wise, straight pipe. We still got the cat though. Other than that, let's go ahead and hop in. We in now. Gotta set my phone aside. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna turn off the traction, man. We're gonna be putting in a sport mode this time. And guess what? We're gonna be driving the manual. All right, we're gonna keep in the manual mode. That's just what I prefer. You know, I want to give it a try because I got the GoPro on. You know, I got both hands, so. Damn, I just got a call. But other than that, man, let's go ahead and start this video. We're in first gear right now. It sounds much louder and more aggressive when I put in a sport compared to when I keep it in drive. Downshift should go crazy though, not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, boy. This thing goes crazy. Alright, we're here at the lake now, like I say, it's pretty quick. Should take me around about 10 minutes to go around the whole lake. It's not that big of a lake. Oh shit, bro, came on my line. Oh boy. This thing is aggressive. It's just so curvy, like lowering spring helps out a lot, so. A lot of turns, so you know, can't really get a proper pull, but stay tuned on that, man. We can get a little pull ahead of. I would say the trans on this does not like actually ship up and down as quick as other cars. We're talking like maybe Audi or, you know, German cars. They ship pretty quickly because I drove one before, Audi, one of my buddies. When you downshift, it just so quick, maybe due to double clutch. But when you downshift on this, it kind of delays like a second, if you know what I'm saying, for the ones that own Mustang or, you know, any other V8. Jeez. My phone just going all over the place right now. Car ahead of me again. Shit scares Max. It might be a little dark because you know the sun is setting, so but I hope y'all still catching the views, man. I got all windows rolled down. I'm gonna slow down, let that car get ahead of me a little longer. Give me some space ahead so I can do a quick little pull. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slow down a bit. People here, so you know I can't really do a pull, right? Come on now, bro. We got a work truck, man. Fuck. Let me pass by. This is gonna be the boring part of the video. Hope you don't get upset though. Nah, bro, gonna be bad. cars like this ahead of me, I'll be doing this type of pulls for y'all, man. But they just be cars ahead of me, man. I'm gonna just go ahead and go back. I should just keep in a third or second gear. That's when it sounds so nice. Sounds crazy. The downshifting goes crazy. I'm in love. This shit goes crazy, bro. Bro, I have never done a POV for y'all throughout the lake in the Mustang. I done one in the Charger though, but I don't think it was this good. Make sure this thing's still recording. Oh my gosh, it's dark. Probably due to the tent, bro. I think I got like 20% up front, so can't really see much. I don't want to make this video way too long, so should be stopping at any minute now. The boring part again. Bro, it's so fun, bro. I might need to do a video of a group, like, you know, chasing down a car, you feel me? Like, let me know what y'all trying to see, bro. Like, I think it would be cool if we had a bunch of loud cars just cruising through the lake. This is boring as fuck, man. I don't want to cut, like, you know, make the video short about this, but that's not a true POV, man, if you out here editing the video out. as well let me pass. We're gonna take an exit at least. Nah, gee. I'm just go this way. Go ahead and call it a video here. That motorcycles, man, you feel me? Got in the way, gang. Put it back in sport. Alright, no cap, bro. That's it. That's it. That is it for the video game. That is it. And I'll see you on the next one, bro. Peace out. Damn.